there are things which are playing around that. As we speak, actually we've been restrained from recruiting the chair by the industrial, by the industrial court.
Governor, we are not here to discuss the substantive issues in court. As a committee, we just want to know the facts which we can put in our report to the Senate. If in our report somebody asks, why doesn't Murang'a have a county service board, we shall say the matter has been in court since this date, okay? And these are the reasons why the matter is in court, period. That's all we want to know.
That financial prudence has been maintained regarding that particular issue, and that no money has been lost in the county, because that is very important to be observed. And we are conceding there are challenges. This is not just Nyeri, this is an issue that was running across many counties.